I can't wait to turn your eyeballs into ice cubes, Stain.
The armor is far more damaged than initially estimated. The circuitry is largely gone.
Gone? You better give me something, Fix. I'm on the way to your location now.
We're not out of the game yet, sir. I've learned enough to program my new microwave emitter cannon. You can't make the same mistake with Warmachine. This will fry the pilot inside like a TV dinner, but leave the armor intact.
How are you guys ever gonna find Stain? There must be 2 million places in the city you could use as a secret hideout.
Easy. Stain was kidnapped by Whiplash. Whiplash's boss is Mr.fix. Mr.fix uses a specific computer system I examined. And your new armor can trace it like ants to a picnic.
Someone is attempting to pinpoint our location. Warmachine.
Why aren't you shutting the systems down? He'll trace us.
That's exactly what I want. Let him come. All I need is one clean shot.
They're at the warehouse near the waterfront.
Something's scrambling our sensors.
So, you took care of Ironman.
It must be a different pilot. It has to be.
Blizzard, send the guards to intercept our guests.
Bring him down!
You guys never learn. Enjoy your nap break, boys. You've earned it.
He'll be okay. In a few days.
Pepper, I'm uplinking us to the system for digital sonar mapping. Some kind of interference is screwing up the computers.
Like dolphin sonar? Oh! I want that in my armor too. And laser grenades. We're getting a map reading thingy now. I see Stain.
He's this way.
Tony, I'm picking up 3 others. Right next to you!
Iron Man!
You can't run from a blizzard. Whoever you are, I must say, I like the new armor. This time when I peel it off, I'll make sure nothing's left inside to crawl out.
Tony, get up! Do something!
Time to be rid of you. What?
Yes! I knew you were down!
Not yet. Your little microwave gun's outdated, Fix. I'm newly improved. Warmachine, if you can hear me, raise your surface temperature by 300 degrees.
How do you do that? Oh, wait. It's this thing right here in my HUD.
Tony, look out!
I'm upgraded as well, Iron Man. Take my new liquid helium cannon. Nothing on Earth is cold. That's impossible!
Tony, your heart can't take much more of this!
Not much choice.
The microwave emitter may not work against Iron Man, but your armor isn't quite so advanced, is it? Finish him, Blizzard!
get up! You can't let him beat you!
It's over, Ironman. Try firing now. Trial circus overheating.
Something's cooking.
Not you too, Rhodey! Both of you, get up! Right now! I mean it!
No good, Pep! Can't! Computers! Target! Missile lock! Now!
What?
Fire!
Yes! Get him, Iron Man! Get him!
How do you like it? How Whiplash, you sadistic?
We're not through yet, Ironman. You may have gotten in a few lucky shots, but never again.
Pepper! Systems locked up! Help!
Oh no, oh no, 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 no! I'm trying! I know there's a manual override remote control thingamajiggy right here. That's it!
Goodbye, Ironman. You are almost a worse opponent.
Wish I could say the same about you.
Computer! Redirect all power to the Unibeam!
Yes! You did it!
I think so. Warmachine. You okay? My brain feels like microwave marshmallows. How about you? Oh, it feels like I went one-on-one with a psychotic power plant. Come on, we have to get Stain.
Well, as much as I'd love to see you locked away in here, Stain.
Iron Man? Don't think I'm gonna thank you. I'm still gonna own that armor one way or another.
I wasn't expecting any medals from you, Q-Ball. Come on, Warmachine. Let's get out of here.
Wait, you're just going to leave me here?
I'll drop you off.
Iron Man! Get me down from here! You soon-to-be obsolete piece of tin! You... Get me down!